On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger loading. First thing, open the settings and then go to the wireless add networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and after 3 seconds disable it. Go back and open the apps manager, go to Messenger, click on force stop, and when you click on force stop, or what you want to do next is just turn off your phone and turn it on again, and then reopen Messenger and problem must be solved. Very easy and simple, as you can see. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.